Just pulled up to Central Valley Performance. I'm going a different route now. Picked up a Haltech standalone for the G35. This gets rid of the entire Osiris issues. I mean, I bought the GT mass airflow sensor if I was needed to run above 10 pounds, which I plan to do. So I mean, this will definitely help. But it's definitely, there's more precautions in this thing, whether it's a boost cut, just being safe pretty much with the new built motor, and I'm not trying to run that risk with Osiris. So I mean, this would definitely be the key and everything that I can. There's more features, definitely more features than I've been told. So full standalone. This thing will definitely rock with the new upgrades that I'm doing.
Oh, no. Perfect timing. Perfect timing. Thank you. All right, well, back.
What's going on? So we got it out, eh?
Got it out. In between the funny part is we got it out in between the mess of all this mess that we have going on. Because they bombarded me that day. They were trying to pull it out. You got to see the frame, right? The X-frame and all that?
Oh, no.
Oh.
What's that for? What's going on, big dog?
You want to take a picture of this?
Might as well. What's this for?
No bucket. We're building.
You guys? What's going on top?
Bucket.
What's going in? Oh.
Remember the boat I built?
Yeah. With all the. Oh, she's gone. Shit. Probably gonna power wash this out, get it somewhat clean. But damn, all this extra oil on the bottom and where it started to accumulate. But let's go take a look at the motor. And side exit. There she is, the POS. Oh, we got all the pistons out. Let's see if this will focus. There's a couple gaps in the rings around here causing excessive blow by. That's why she was leaking everywhere. It's hard to see on the focus, but definitely there. Now we know why everything kind of blew up, but motor had 130,000 miles on it, so it is only inevitable. But got the new pistons here, new block, all the old stuff, and then the head. Alright, a little update. I'm finally getting rid of the Supercharger. I didn't really think it panned out for me and what I was trying to accomplish. I was just having too many issues with it, honestly. Trying to find the boost leaks, belt slippage, things like that. It was giving me a headache. But we're gonna ship this out. I already have a buyer for it, and then we're gonna be going up to that bad boy right there. It's a Garrett 70 trim turbo. 0.7, and then I think it's a 1.5 AFR on the back, on the hot side. And then we are going with a Turbo Smart. I think this is a, what size is this? 45, yeah. And then we gotta get this all mocked up. I have the piping coming in maybe next week. Motor still being finished. So finally going to a turbo. Finally more predictable on what we can actually do, as opposed to trying to chase our tails with the belt slippage, boost leaks, etc. Not saying that we won't have boost leaks on this one, but I'm just saying we can actually move the boost range a little bit more frequently. So that's all I have for now. Just stay tuned.